Yeah, just thought I'd make a wee video of this mr2 barn find. Out doing deliveries with my job, and sure it's sitting in someone's backyard covered in lichen and all sorts of green crap all over it. Seems to be pretty much rust free except for the usual front bumper support and radiator support underneath, but it's all bolt-on stuff. Apparently you can get it all new. So this is a aw10, which is doesn't have the twin cam motor, but a lot of people are upgrading these with 20 valve Toyota motors. See, that's the old original motor in there. A few spider webs and things. Otherwise it's all there. Apparently it was running when he parked it up. The guy says he couldn't get parts for it, like bonnet parts, and he said this mudguard couldn't get parts for those. We can actually buy them new, so don't know what he was on about. So just probably replace that or repair it. Yeah, otherwise under the bonnet, I'll show you under the back. The one here was full of water. It was about 1 inch of water in the bottom, but it's been drying it out. Took the seat out to dry it out. All the seats have got a lot of mould and stuff on them. There's been a bit of a leak up in there, so I've got to get up and reseal it. There's actually no rust under the floor, mats or anything. It's all pretty much rust free in the main part of the body. Even the boot. I'll open up the boot and show you the boot's like new. Just got to open it up there. Will it open? No. Boot latch is actually down here. There she goes, the little boot. Under the mat, let's have a look under there. Yeah, pretty much rust free under there too. Like new. Yep, pretty good nick. You see there's a lot of lichen and stuff all over it. Moss. Stand on that door trim again, I'll finish it off. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Or a boot ready, I suppose, with this thing. There you go, it's just like new. Original toolkit and everything. It's been sitting out, not undercover, for about 4 or 5 years. For some reason, there's pretty much minimal rust apart from that support underneath the front of the bumper. You see it under there, but they get pretty rusty, but you can replace those or repair them. You see it under there. So it's either do it up to sell it or repower it and keep it. Not sure what to do with it yet, but watch the space.